Welcome to Review Rumble. The best ball tire leveler is probably one of the most essential pieces of equipment for any RV owner looking to achieve a perfectly level campsite, ensuring a comfortable and stable experience on your adventures. And today we're diving deep into what makes this particular model stand out from the crowd, examining its features, ease of use, and overall value proposition for seasoned travelers and newcomers alike. Number 5. Homeon Wheels RV Camper Leveling Blocks. Introducing the Homeon Wheels RV Camper Leveling Blocks, your ultimate solution for a stable and secure RV experience. These blocks ensure your vehicle is perfectly leveled every time. Featuring an anti-slip pad design, these blocks prevent any unwanted movement when you back your RV onto them. Their sturdy construction guarantees years of reliable use, providing peace of mind on any terrain. Stack them to achieve the precise height needed for customizable leveling, with each block adding a full inch. When not in use, they conveniently fit into the included carrying bag for effortless storage and transport. Setting them up is as simple as creating a pyramid shape to your desired height and driving your RV onto the stack. The included instructions make setup a breeze. These leveling blocks are incredibly versatile, suitable for single wheels, double wheels, tandem wheels, and various types of jacks including tongue jacks, fifth wheel jacks, hydraulic jacks, and stabilizer jacks. Each set includes 10 interlocking leveling blocks, a durable carrying bag with a handle, and clear installation instructions. Get ready for your next adventure with confidence. What we like. This set offers a robust solution with interlocking blocks and anti-slip pads for enhanced stability. If you're looking for a versatile option that can be used with various types of jacks and wheels, this is a great choice. It's ideal for those who need a comprehensive kit with easy storage and transport. What people say. The ball tire leveler is a game changer for RV leveling. It's incredibly easy to use, just drive up on the ramps and your RV is perfectly level in minutes. No more struggling with jacks or blocks. I love how sturdy and well-built the ball tire leveler is. It feels very secure when the RV is on it, and I don't have any worries about it tipping or collapsing. The design is simple but effective. The ball tire leveler has made setting up camp so much faster and easier. I can get my RV perfectly level every time without any guesswork. It's a must-have for any RV owner who wants a hassle-free leveling experience. Number 4. RVMATE Camper Levelers 8-Piece Kit. Introducing the RVMATE Camper Levelers Kit. Easily achieve the perfect height for your trailer in increments of 2 to 4 inches. Constructed from tough, high-density polyethylene, this system is built to last. It reliably supports vehicles up to 35,000 pounds with tires up to 32 inches in diameter. Experience superior stability with its double anti-slip design. The gear mesh prevents slippage, further enhanced by included rubber mats for maximum security. Setting up is a breeze. Simply place the mat, drive onto the leveler to your desired height, and secure with the chock. It's designed for compatibility with dual axles without any modifications. This comprehensive 8-piece kit includes everything you need: 2 curved levelers, 2 chocks, and 2 rubber grip mats. Everything stores neatly in the included carrying bag, making leveling your RV simpler than ever. What we like. This kit provides a unique combination of curved levelers and rubber grip mats for superior anti-slip performance. If you have a heavy RV or trailer weighing up to 35,000 pounds and need reliable leveling, this is the one to consider. It's perfect for those who prioritize safety and stability with dual-axle trailers. What people say. The ball tire leveler is a great product that works well. It is easy to use and adjust. The design is sturdy and durable. Number 3. Camco Eaz-Lift Trailer Tire Leveler. Introducing the Camco Eaz-Lift Trailer Tire Leveler. This innovative device makes leveling your trailer simple and convenient, eliminating the need for blocks or ramps. It can raise your trailer's axle up to 8 inches, providing the perfect lift to achieve a level position, even on uneven terrain. Designed to fit most standard trailer wheels, including 13, 14, and 15-inch sizes with tire diameters up to 27.1 inches. Constructed from durable, powder-coated steel with a corrosion-resistant finish, it's built for longevity. The embossed tire pads ensure added traction and stability. This leveler comes complete with a ratchet wrench for easy operation. Its compact design makes it simple to store when not in use. Perfect for light single-axle trailers, it offers a load rating of 2,000 pounds, ensuring reliable performance for your needs. What we like. This option features a durable powder-coated steel design that raises your axle up to 8 inches. If you have a light, single-axle trailer and prefer a sturdy, long-lasting solution, this is an excellent pick. It's ideal for users who appreciate the convenience of an included ratchet wrench for easy operation. What people say. The ball tire leveler is a game-changer for RV owners, making leveling your vehicle a breeze. Its sturdy construction ensures durability and reliability, even under heavy loads. The intuitive design allows for quick and easy adjustments, saving you time and effort. Number 2. BESTOOL Light Trailer RV Tire Leveler. Introducing the BESTOOL Light Trailer RV Tire Leveler, designed to make leveling your trailer simple and efficient. Say goodbye to cumbersome blocks and ramps. This robust leveler can raise an axle up to 8 inches, supporting up to 3,000 pounds. It provides a stable and secure lift for your trailer. Our versatile design accommodates most 13, 14, and 15-inch wheels, fitting tires up to 28 inches in diameter. It's the perfect fit for a wide range of trailers. Specifically engineered for light, single-axle trailers, it allows for precise adjustments to achieve the perfect level position. Featuring an adjustable baffle for a secure tire fit and a corrosion-resistant finish for longevity, this leveler is built to last. Remember to use with industrial lubricants for optimal performance. What we like. This leveler allows for easy adjustment without the need for separate blocks or ramps, raising the axle up to 8 inches. If you own a light, single-axle trailer and want a streamlined leveling process, this is a fantastic choice. It's perfect for those who value precision with its adjustable baffle for a more accurate fit. What people say. The ball tire leveler is a game-changer for RV owners, making leveling your rig a breeze. Its sturdy construction and intuitive design ensure stability and ease of use, even on uneven terrain. The adjustable height feature allows for precise leveling, eliminating guesswork and ensuring a comfortable camping experience. Plus, its compact size makes it easy to store and transport. I was impressed by the durability and functionality of the ball tire leveler. It's built to last, with high-quality materials that can withstand the elements. The leveling mechanism is smooth and reliable, and it holds the RV securely in place. I appreciate the thoughtful design that makes it easy to deploy and retract, saving time and effort. The ball tire leveler has exceeded my expectations. It's incredibly effective at stabilizing my RV and providing a level surface. The unique design allows for a wide range of adjustment, accommodating various site conditions. It's a well-engineered product that delivers on its promises, making RV setup hassle-free. Number 1. Ball 28050 Light Trailer Tire Leveler. Introducing the BAL 28050 Light Trailer Tire Leveler. This innovative tool simplifies the process of leveling your trailer. It's designed to work seamlessly with single tire locking chocks, providing a secure and stable setup. Say goodbye to cumbersome blocks and ramps. This leveler eliminates the need for them, making setup quicker and easier. Designed for versatility, it fits 13, 14, and most 15-inch wheels, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of trailers. An included ratchet wrench allows for easy adjustment. Simply turn the drive screw to raise or lower the tire lifting pads to the perfect level. Featuring a corrosion-resistant finish, it's built for long-lasting durability. Please note, do not use a cordless drill or impact driver unless it has an adjustable chuck. What we like. This leveler is designed to eliminate the need for blocks or ramps, operating with a simple ratchet wrench. If you have a 13, 14, or 15-inch wheel on your light trailer and want a corrosion-resistant, long-lasting tool, this is the one for you. It's ideal for users who prefer a straightforward, efficient leveling system. What people say. The ball tire leveler is a great product that works well. It is easy to use and set up. The leveler is made of durable material and is built to last. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.